Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna unbox the Samsung Galaxy Legend or Samsung Galaxy Stella. Let's go to the specs. For the price, I paid about $10 plus shipping on eBay, which is a steal. Consider this phone costs way more than what I paid for. For the screen, we got a 4-inch TFT LCD display with a resolution of 800 by 480. For the processor, we got a 1.2 GHz Qualcomm dual-core processor with 1 GB of RAM. For the camera, we got a 3.2 megapixel rear-facing camera and a 1.3 megapixel front-facing camera. For the battery, it's 2100 milliamp that lasted about 6 hours, and it's running Android 4.1 Jelly Beans with a touch with skin on top. We also got 3G and Wi-Fi connection, hearing aid compatibility, a removable battery, and a new feature that's called mode change. Let's unbox this thing. So here's the box. Nice box. I like that. Pretty nice. Here's the back with a bunch of information and nobody ever read. Okay, so we have to crack this open. So time lapse. Finally, get a box open. It was pretty hard to open. I'm gonna say that. So first, here's the thick instruction manual nobody would ever read. On the inside, we have a charging brick, 5 watt. We have a charging cable, micro USB cable. Apple, pay attention. Alright, now let's go to the front. Now we don't have to get the phone out of here. So, time lapse. Finally, get a box to open. It was taking so long. But here's the phone. Yay. Looks pretty nice. I like that. Here's the battery, 2100 milliamps, removable battery. I like it. And that's it for the box. Okay, let's put it to the side and take a look at the phone. Let's peel the plastic off the phone. Ooh, nice. And for the back, oops, struggle. There we go. So, it's pretty nice weight. I like that. So let's pop out a battery. Oh, I forget. Yep, we need scissors. Cut this open. Cut this open. Okay, there we go. Now, we have to remove it back and get the battery in. And now insert the battery. Snap. There you go. And insert back our back cover. Okay, there we go. Oh, there's some more plastic on the side. Let's peel them off. Now here's the phone. Yay. It looks pretty nice. I like it. So let's power this on. Let's see if it enjoys. Oh, there's juice. Nice. 7 years in the box. So looks like that's it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Comment, like, subscribe. See you guys later. Bye.